The Complimentary Breakfast. Jacaranda FM.
Today you sent me to come and do the weather at a swimming pool. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Just to prove the time, I thought I'd dial a number so you can get the time. So you guys, let's hear what the lady says. Let's hear what she said. So there you have it. It's 6 minutes past 5 and 30 seconds exactly. And yeah, I know at the moment it looks stupid. I'm still fully dressed with my scarf slippers, giving you a weather report. But Houston came here and decided to make it one worse for me at the swimming pool. I kind of had my doubts why I'm at a swimming pool, but now I realize. I thought he might have brought something with to keep me warm and then get into a swimming pool, maybe a wetsuit, but clearly that is not the case. Now, is that Rian? Again, yeah, you've pulled one in front of my eyes there. Now I have to go into the swimming pool in just my little Speedo here. So I don't want to do this, man. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes, my whole body is pins and needles. Okay, I'll do one lap, Houston. Yes, I can't feel my legs. I'm getting out, dude. I'm getting out. Okay, yeah, and your weather this morning's just coming straight out of the flipping swimming pool. Mpumalanga cloudy in the east at first, with morning drizzle patches on the escarpment and fog patches on the high ground. Otherwise partly cloudy and cold to cool, warming places in the low veld. Nelspruit, a minimum of 8, maximum of 19. Windbank, Imalahleni is 2, 18. Limpopo cloudy in the east and warm with morning drizzle patches and fog patches on the escarpment. Otherwise partly cloudy and cool to warm. Polokwane 2, 19. Northwest fine and cool with morning fog patches. Rustenburg 4:20. If you're traveling today, Cape Town is 12:21. Durban is 14:22. Port Elizabeth 10:19. And Bloemfontein is 2 with a maximum of 18. Coming to your weather locally, Johannesburg a minimum of 3 and 16. And Pretoria today a minimum of about 3 millimeters and 16. I'm done.
The Complimentary Breakfast.
SA's best mix from the 80s, 90s, and now. The
Complimentary Breakfast. Jacaranda FM.